Making informed financial decisions is crucial for achieving your long-term financial goals. Whether you're saving for a home, planning for retirement, or simply managing your day-to-day expenses, understanding the basics of personal finance can help you make smart choices. Set clear financial goals. Define your objectives. What do you want to achieve financially? Are you saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or planning for retirement? Create a timeline. Set realistic deadlines for your goals. Prioritize your goals. Determine which goals are most important to you and focus on those first. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. Keep a detailed record of your income and all your spending. Identify areas for savings. Look for areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Allocate funds towards your goals. Set aside a portion of your income to contribute towards your savings goals. Understand your credit score. Check your credit report. Review your credit report regularly for errors or inaccuracies. Improve your credit score. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low and avoid opening too many new accounts. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureaus. So, let's talk about building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This means saving enough money to cover your essential expenses for several months, just in case of unexpected events. And, don't forget to choose a high-yield savings account. Consider a savings account with a competitive interest rate to maximize your returns. Invest wisely. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk. Consider professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment strategy. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Protect yourself with insurance. Review your insurance coverage. Ensure you have adequate life, health, home, and auto insurance. Consider additional coverage. Depending on your circumstances, you may need disability insurance, long-term care insurance, or umbrella insurance. Continuously educate yourself. Stay informed about financial trends. Keep up with the latest news and developments in personal finance. Seek out resources. Take advantage of online courses, books, and articles to improve your financial knowledge. By following these guidelines, you can make informed financial decisions and work towards achieving your long-term goals. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent in your approach to personal finance.